Hello everybody. We're gonna go to Publix and get some ingredients to make dinner for my grandma. What are we making?
A bunch of random stuff.
No, we're making like Chipotle stuff, like the chicken and the steak, and you can build your own tacos or burritos or a burrito bowl. We're making their rice. He used to work at Chipotle, so he knows their secret recipe.
True.
It's true. So we're going to Publix. We made it to the Publix. We're here. You know it's a Florida Publix, but it's yellow. Florida. Publix, where shopping is a pleasure. So we need chicken, we need beef, rice, seasoning. He's looking for soup. Seasoning, and tomatoes, onions, cilantro, all the normal toppings, corn that you put on your burrito. So we're looking for that. If you don't live somewhere in the South where there's a Publix, then you are missing out, because Publix is the stuff. Love Publix. Got all the good bread. They make this on the daily. Oh, look at that challah bread. Oh my goodness. First ingredient. Got it secured in the basket. Now tomatoes. How do you pick a good tomato?
You gotta make sure it's red and not bruised. This one's perfect.
The first one? The first one you
They
picked?
got good tomatoes too.
Wow. Some cebollas, the sweet onions, you know. He said, nope, not that one. That one looks good. Nope, not that one. That one, that's the winner. Now some ajo, some garlic. It's very precise with his picking, as you can tell. None of them look good apparently.
Terrible.
Terrible? He had to settle. Oh no. So now we get some jasmine rice. There's that big bag. I don't see a small bag. Oh, right here. Perfect. So a little recap on our basket. Just looking at spices, but in our basket we've got all the stuff except for the meats and the spice that he's now looking for. So we're almost there. Almost there. And it's picking out the premium beef. What are you making with this? Like pieces? Are you gonna cut it into pieces?
I'll cut it into pieces.
Okay.
On sale at $9.
Wow.
Say $4 a pound.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah, that's really good.
So I don't eat meat, so we're gonna do chicken. It's an option too. So we're doing both. But we're gonna do chicken thighs because it's a little bit more tender and just a little more juicy sometimes. Decisions. Thank you. $37 each are at Publix. We've got a meal for a family of like 5 probably. With the 2 meats and everything, That whole bag of rice, how many servings are in that? Yeah. That's a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. And it's fresh stuff.
Tonight and tomorrow.
Yeah. A little pre-cooking snack. Got all the stuff. The meat, cilantro, the onion, the tomatoes, the garlic, the rice, orange juice, seasoning, corn, other seasoning. It's all ready. And the chicken.
A little better.
Yeah.
The 2 pinches, is that enough?
Yeah. Yeah. I worked there for a good 3 months.
I like cilantro.
Yeah? Yeah.
Me too.
Should have you around more often. Want my cilantro.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get any jalapeno? Our students overdose on fentanyl-based cooking.
That's scary. Look at the technique.
Right here, right?
Look at that. Some garlic. It's cooking the rice over here.
I'll send it to you. Mom, I said, tell this. No, don't give me that, please.
Look at that. They got the chipotle sticky rice, the steak, the chicken, the corn, some toppings. It's the good stuff. The good stuff. Yours looks pretty. Grandma's looks pretty too. She got the red. Wow. We're done eating now and it was delicious. My grandma's over here watching a movie. I'm working, getting some stuff done even though it's Friday night. It's okay. And my boyfriend is on a call with his dad and we're just chilling. The food was so good. It was so good. But for now we're just getting some stuff done.